Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have my Boxycharm to open. I got my box super early. It's only the 6th when I got my box, and when I upload this it'll be like the 8th or something. But I'm pretty excited because this month's box is actually really good. Let's just jump ahead and talk about some stuff in here. This month's theme was alter ego. Pretty like a unique kind of concept. And these are the items in the box, and then we'll talk about all of that too. The first item in here is this superhero mascara from It. It comes in its original packaging, and it looks like it works pretty good. I don't try mascara like right away because I just use up what I have and then I go for a new one. But this one, ooh. It's like different shape. It's not like a circle, it's like an oval on top. It's weird when I hold it. Okay, this is the wand. Yeah, this is the wand. And I just hope it works because I usually always have to use mascara because I don't use falsies, and even if I don't have any makeup on and I'm going somewhere, I usually just put on mascara. But yeah, this one is called Superhero, and let me know if you tried it and how it works. But I'm pretty excited to get mascara because that's something I use, and thank God I don't have to repurchase mascara. Like, I don't mind using different kinds, so I don't have to repurchase it because I keep getting mascaras in my subscription boxes, so that's the ones I use now. And it retails for $24, and it's volume boosting and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. We'll see about that when I use it. And next in here, I was surprised because I didn't know that it was going to be in the box. It's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask, and this is the leave-in one. I know months ago we did get the conditioning mask, which I loved, so I used it all up. The Briogeo stuff is super expensive, and I didn't know that. And it smells really good. And then for this, if you don't know how to use it, I read it, and it's like after you like wash and condition your hair, once it's still wet, you put it on and you leave it on, and yeah. And it claims to strengthen and moisturize the hair. And this, let's see how much it is. It's 16. Well, that's not that bad, but it's still tiny. I mean, I can buy my shampoo and conditioner for less than 16 both. So yeah, that's pretty much. And then it says the super moisturizing and straightening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro encapsulated argan oil, an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. And I need that because my hair is pretty much fucked and I don't take care of it all. So if something as easy as this comes along, then that's when my hair gets its treatment. And the next item, everybody was gonna get this. It's the Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I am happy with this color. So there was a bunch of nudes, and then there was a few pinks, and I think like dark vampy reds. And I already have that vampy red Vampira, and it's super fucking drying. So thank God I didn't get that one. Hawkwind, Crucifix, I'm not sure. Yeah, the brown one. There were some pink ones I did not want because they were like Mother, K-Dub. There was a bunch. Maybe I could find a picture and put everything up. I got Bow and Arrow, and it's this nude, and I'm super excited for it because I love nude. And these retail for $20. Here's the color. I actually want to put this on because I feel like it looks a tad bit pink for this look, but I know it'll like dry down and change colors, so hopefully you guys can see that throughout the video. And this is Bow and Arrow. Oh yeah, you could have gotten Lolita too. I know that one's like really popular. This one was also one of the variations. Oh, this is a variation too. I'll let you know right now. This one is the Ahava Active Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream. It's just water right here, so I feel like it's water based. At first I was like, yeah, should I keep this? But honestly, like, I needed something that was small. I could put in my purse because I have those big ass Bath and Body Works ones for my hand and like my body. But I need like a hand cream, you know, just when you want to like, shit, my hands feel dry right now. I'm actually about to use this. And this one is Luxury Rich and Hand Cream Drenches your skin in velvety smoothness. Apply liberally anytime. Approved for sensitive skin. Ooh, I'm excited. And this is only $10, so yeah. And I've heard about Ahava's, like, I think they have skincare too, if I'm not mistaken, or I don't know, maybe other kind of lotions. So it looks like this. Smells super fresh. For this, it was, you could have gotten a pharmacy cleansing balm to remove your makeup, which I wouldn't have minded. And there was also like a peel off face mask that you could have gotten. And then these two. So it's either like this and the other one, this and the other one, like that. And then we're already to the last item, but before that, let's talk about some of the stuff on here. And then if you're a coupon person, you could use 10% off your next purchase of Pür Cosmetics. That's not even that good, but still. And it says valid on $30 or more. What? It's not even gonna like get you anything. And it says plus 3 free samples. Oh, I don't know if it does that or not, but you get 3 free samples. Maybe if you use this code just for you, Boxy. And then the Boxy fact is September was a month of celebration for us. Not only did we hit 1 million followers on Instagram, we launched our first Boxy looks. So the Boxy looks, I think it was pretty popular. I don't know. I mean, yeah, people liked it. There was not lots of nice things, but that's like, I don't know, how $40-something, like 11 products. I don't need 11 products. I'm already fed up with 5. Well, this month I really like it, but like, if I don't like something, I could sell it. But then if something bad comes, no one wants to buy that. So I don't know. It's just gonna sit around, and that makes me kind of sad because I'm not gonna use it, and I don't want makeup to go to waste. Or maybe I could donate it. I never thought about that. Let me know if you know a place where I could donate makeup, because that'd be pretty cool. Because I'm actually gonna be moving soon, and I'm gonna like donate lots of clothes, and perhaps if people don't want to buy the makeup, then I'll just donate it, and just, yeah, that'll make me feel really happy. Like, I love decluttering and just getting rid of my stuff. Anyways, let's get rid of the last item and end this video. So it comes in this box. It's the Pür Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Ooh. And it comes pretty like taped, and it was in bubble wrap and everything. And I actually used one of the colors in my eyes, the color Mask Off. Let me just show you the actual palette instead of this. It's right here. It's like a nice green gold, and I love those colors. And here is the palette. This is the face side, which I actually used for highlight too. I didn't put on any blush, but this is like a purple, violety, burgundy, I don't know colors. Blush. This is like more of like a dark pink. These are 2 highlighting colors. I mixed these 2 on my face. I like it. I don't know, their formula of highlights is different because I'm used to like glittery, but it's like, this one I just put it on and I can't see if something's there, but when the light hits, you could tell. And I also used it in my inner corner. Did I use this color? I think I used this color in my inner. No, I didn't, sorry. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette that I used up on my eyes, sorry. I forgot. But yeah, this color is really nice. And the names are Twilight, Enchantment, Reveal, and Hidden Secret. It's kind of like a masquerade theme palette, duh. And then it comes with like the little tape thingies. Whoa. I'm gonna have to swatch everything too. It has 1 matte and 5 shimmers. Palettes, but here it is. Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. It smells really good. It reminds me of a few months ago we got the Pure Sculpting palette, and it smells like the cocoa powder stuff that one was. So yeah, I use this color. As you can see, I messed it up. So the highlighting, taking in Twilight. They're really buttery too. I don't know where to swatch these. Maybe right here. Ooh. And the next highlighting. That one's the dark one. So you can't use these on their own. And to the blushes, we have the pink one. Ooh, they're super buttery. Or you could use these colors as highlight too. And then we mix it in with like a white or a gold. And then the dark one. Ooh, I was thinking I can use the dark one as eyeshadow too. Oh, that one's pretty. I could take it with like a super light hand to use it as blush. The silver color. Ooh, that's so soft. Here, more. That is super soft. And then the brown matte shade. Oh, I actually used this one in my lower lash line a little bit. Really nice. Ooh, dark pink. Pretty. And then the dark one, I don't know, it's a gray, black. I honestly can't tell. Okay, that looks like a gunmetal color. Wow. So here are all the colors. This palette is pretty good. When I'm doing like a nice blended look, I usually use like 6 or 7 shadows. And then if I'm in a hurry, I just put one shadow on top. So this palette is really good for that. This was a nice palette to get. Really like the packaging too. I like the white not marble, but like I've been liking that kind of design lately. And then let me show you how much it costs. If you just want to buy it, but I'm pretty sure it's more than $21. So if you need this palette and you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, get Boxycharm so you get all these items too. For only $21 a month. And the palette retails for $38 shit. It says this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades. Blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. That's nice. Yeah, this month was really nice. I kind of do want to like unsubscribe, but then I don't know. So I mean it's worth it, but I have everything I need. Like if I could live without these products, but they're nice to get. Because I would never think to like buy that mascara or buy the lipstick. So it's nice pick a things, you know, because I can never choose stuff that I want to buy. I always have to like, so that they just choose everything for you. That's great because I hate, it takes me forever when I'm at Sephora and need to buy something to like get my birthday present or redeem my points. I at least take an hour there and just choose one item. It takes me forever. I'm very, I don't know, like I always feel like I don't need anything. That's why it takes me forever. I'm like, oh, okay, I guess I'll grab this. Let me know what you got in your box, if you got the other variations items other than this. I'm really excited for these items. And also, we got some November sneak peeks because apparently KKW Beauty will be in a future box because they were like posting pictures of her and her mommy Chris with Boxycharm CEO Yusuf, so maybe they're working on a collab and you know getting her to get her products in Boxycharm. So they gave her November's box and it doesn't look too bad. There's another eyeshadow palette. Well, if you don't want sneak peeks, you can stop the video, but it's gonna be an eyeshadow palette, I think Luxie brushes, tweezers, and there's other stuff too. Oh, a Cover FX drops, and then I don't know what else. If you know, leave it down below. But it looks like, oh, and lashes. There we go. I don't care for lashes, so I didn't think of that. But yeah, that's what we're getting in November. So if you're month to month on Boxycharm, if you don't want that, maybe unsubscribe. But I'm still with them until December, and I don't know if I should cancel or not. Someone help me out. Thank you so much for watching. Anything else you guys want to talk about, leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next one.